is Shisha Yang, and I am a 3L day student here at McGeorge. Since an early age, I was always interested in criminal law, and so I decided to go to law school just to see if that's something I wanted to do. It's kind of what I want to do for the remainder of my life. I've been working with the Sacramento Public Defender's Office since my 1L year, and I've loved it. So I plan on doing public defense after postgrad. I did a variety of things in the public defender's office here. I was put into the felony intake department, which deals with settlement conferences. Also did some parole violations, basically just handling those violations with the clients and trying to get them a good offer for that. Professor Bricker, for most people, has been very helpful. I was lucky to have been able to take a bunch of classes with her. I took her criminal law class in my 1L year, the art of plea bargaining course with Professor Bricker, and also the trial advocacy class. And those classes have been very helpful for what I want to do. So I picked McGeorge because it was close to home. I live about an hour and a half north from here in a small town called Orville, and so I knew I always wanted to stay near my family because my family is in the area. So this was like the perfect fit for me. I can still be close to home as well as gain all the experience I want to gain here in Sacramento as well. So I do plan on staying in Sacramento. I am trying to see if I can get into the Sacramento Public Defender's Office, since I do love working in that office. Yeah, so I am the president of the Asian Pacific American Law Student Association. This year we were able to focus a little bit more on our members and our community. So we were able to do a speaker event back in fall semester where we had an alumni come and speak to us. We also participated in a bunch of outside community organization events such as the My Sister's House 5K run, and this past April we put on our annual culture night event where we had a couple of judges in the community come out and speak to us. We invited our alums, outside organizations, and students, and that was a really great event. I think the class that I enjoyed most was probably my trial advocacy class. It basically prepared me on how to put on like a full-on trial, and I think that's going to be very helpful for me in the long run. Yes, so I am involved in a few other organizations. I've been involved with Unity Caucus. I was the co-chair for that last year. I was also on the board as a public relations chair for the Public Legal Services Society, and I am also the current treasurer for the Christian Legal Student Society. Being able to be involved with these organizations and leadership positions, I feel that has helped me in working in a office where I have to sometimes maybe use those skills, like leadership skills, to apply it to my caseload and to my clients. The first thing that kind of drew me to McGeorge was definitely the campus. I love how it was a small campus, which allowed me to find a group of friends that I've become close to over the last couple of years. We've been lucky as students here at McGeorge to have a wide alumni network here, especially with our Pulse alumni. We've been able to get them to come back and speak to us at our multiple events over the years. We have alumni who just continue to reach out to us and support us as well, so that has been a plus. I would find a group of people that you feel comfortable with, whether that's studying or having lunch together or doing something that's not law school related, because you do need that group of people to kind of support you throughout your law school journey.